Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking vlog. Kuno. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magbubukbang challenge tayo. Charot! Hindi, syempre. Magtuturo pa rin ako. So, this is actually the third part ng aking lecture series. Lecture series ang social. Ayan. So, ang tukol pa rin sa derivative ang pag-uusapan natin this time. And this time, ang ituturo ko naman ay yung tinatawag na higher order derivative. Ang higher order derivative ay parang pagdi-derivative lang ng paulit-ulit. So, pagka sinabing second derivative is after you get the first derivative, gagawin mo lang yung second derivative. I mean, i-derivative mo yung sagot. Kasi nakuha mong sagot, if you ask to do third derivative, gagawin mo na naman yung derivative. So, paulit-ulit ka lang mag-derivative. Depende sa gusto mong makuha. Okay? Kung hanggang ilan yung gusto mong makuha. Okay. Let's check first, or let me tell you first some notations para matandaan natin. So, yung f prime of x would be yung tinatawag nating first derivative. Of course, given that we have f of x, this is the first derivative. First derivative. And then, pag second derivative na, dalawa na yung prime. This is the second derivative. Second derivative. Siyempre, pag tatlo, di tatlo. Or third derivative na ito. Third derivative. Pagdating sa fourth, hindi na natin sulat ang apat. We will be using 4 na. The number 4 to denote the fourth derivative. Actually, starting from 4, yung pang 5th, pang 7, numerical na yung ginagamit natin, o number na yung ginagamit natin. Up to the nth derivative. Ito yung last, the nth derivative. Okay. Kasi yun lang naman yung gagawin natin. So, let's have some examples here kung paano ito sinasagutan. Okay. So, I have here an example. I have f of x equal to x to the 6 minus x to the 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4. And let us check kung hanggang ilan ang kaya natin nakuha ang derivative dito. Okay? If I ask to find the first derivative, madali lang naman itong problem na ito kasi power rule lang ito. So, x to the 6, ang derivative niyan ay 5x to the 5th. Yung x to the 4th naman, minus 4x cubed. Tapos, 9x squared. For this one, 4x. Yung negative 4 will be 0 na kasi ang derivative ng constant is 0. Okay, so this is the first derivative. If sinipag ka, gusto mong pang gawin yung second derivative, di try natin kunin yung second derivative. So, from the result, the first derivative, kukunin mo naman yung derivative mo. Yun yung second derivative. So, ang derivative ng 5x to the 5th is 25 x to the 4th minus 12 x squared minus 18x plus 4. Remember, ang ginagawa ko lang, nagpa-power rule lang ako. I already discussed this before. Okay? Power rule. Gawin na natin yung third derivative. Mukhang sinisipag naman tayo. So, ang derivative ng 25x to the 4th ay 100x cubed minus 24x. Derivative na to minus 18. Yung derivative ng 4 ay 0 na. Continue natin. The fourth derivative of this would be 300x squared minus 24. And then the derivative of 8 is 0. F of 5, the fifth derivative would be 600x. And then f of 6 would be 600. And then pagdating sa f of 7, 0 na. Ang derivative kasi constant na. Actually, pagdating sa f of 7, 0 na siya hanggang sa mga susunod pong derivative if you will be asked. So, 8 derivative, 9th derivative, 10, and so on. 0 lagi. 0 na ang magiging derivative niya. Kasi, pang 7 pa lang, 0 na yung ini-evaluate natin function. You can conclude it as well, or you can generalize this, that therefore, if n is greater than or equal to 7, the derivative of f of x is 0 already. Okay? Sorry. If our n is greater than or equal to 7, the derivative of f of x is already 0. Okay? Let's try another example. What if our function is cosine x? Okay. Ang first derivative ng cosine ay negative sine x. Ang second derivative would be ang derivative ng sine x ay cosine, so negative cosine x. Ang third derivative ay derivative ng cosine, negative sine, so magiging positive sine x. Actually, hindi ka matatapos dito. There's a loop kasi derivative ng cosine ay sine, tapos derivative ng sine, cosine. So, alternate lang ng alternate. Nagbabago lang yung sign because yung derivative ng cosine ay negative sin x. Siguro you can stop. Depende sa inaas sa iyo. Sabihin sa'yo, find the 7th derivative. Di mag-stop ka na sa 7th derivative. Okay? Perfect. So, actually, that's it. I have 2 example lang naman pagdating sa higher order derivative. As a exercise, try to solve this. Find the fourth derivative of f of x if ang f of x ko ay equal sa 2x minus 3. As an exercise, try to solve this. Find the fourth derivative of f of x if the f of x is equal to the square root of 2x minus 3. That's it. Thank you for listening and watching the video. If you like it, you can like, subscribe, or follow me. Follow ba? Ay, hindi ko alam. Ang tawag dun? Subscribe ata yun sa YouTube. Charot. So, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. And, kung wala ka man tayo, ay wala naman kayong ginagawa, di mag-watch na lang kayo ng video. Bye-bye!